Now, a Rhode Island lawmaker is demanding that state police stop using unmarked cars.
NBC 10's Mike Cerullo digs into his pitch and has the response from state police.
This is a copy of the letter State Representative David Morales sent Governor Dan McKee asking for an immediate end to the use of unmarked vehicles by state police.
The last thing we need is further confusion and actions that mirror those of ICE.
It's a pitch that's drawing a range of reactions from both law enforcement and the public.
I think that the police should be able to identify themselves clearly so that there is no confusion.
For the unmarked police cars, I feel like that shouldn't be existed.
Do you think there might be any situations where an unmarked car could be handy?
Unmarked cars for sure, if they're doing an investigation or a sting or they're trying to catch someone.
They're good for gathering intelligence. Also, legitimate undercover operations, whether it's a drug sting or some kind of task force work, unmarked cars are necessary.
Daniel Maxwell is a former police officer and currently teaches at the University of New Haven in Connecticut.
I don't think any state's going to get rid of unmarked cars, but certainly I think there could be some legislation or policy and procedure guiding the use of them in particular activities.
We asked state police for their stance on using unmarked vehicles in their agency. Deputy Superintendent Lieutenant Colonel Robert Kramer sent us this statement saying unmarked police vehicles are an essential piece of equipment that we use every day to help keep our communities safe. Unmarked cars are used to identify impaired drivers, investigate child predators, apprehend drug dealers, and help us protect the sanctity of investigations as well as the privacy of victims of crime. Would there be certain situations you would be okay with them being used right now?
During these terrifying times where unmarked vehicles have been used to literally kidnap immigrants across the country, I believe that no local or state law enforcement should be using unmarked vehicles.
NBC 10 also reached out to the governor's office for comment, but has not heard back. In Providence, Mike Cerullo, NBC 10 News.